everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm doing this decor, but 8 months ago now I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. Today's video I'm going to flip a vintage desk. Will be full in details. I'm going to use additive power for the texture, dry brush, metallic gold wax, stencils. Let's go to start and see the final work. I got this vintage dresser on Facebook Marketplace for $25 a while ago. I'm start to fix, has too many things to fix it, but I'm put on the side. Sometimes that happen with the project we start and put on the side. Is solid wood. I really like these straight lines. And now I'm going to work on this desk. First, I'm going to glue this straw. I mix the additive power with paint for more texture. The power and paint is done. I like this consistency. I'm applying with a cheap brush, but I don't recommend to apply with a cheap brush. Much better with a sponge, because the cheap brush lose hair and it's not too good to do this paint. My base color is done with the texture. Let's do a quick look before when I'm start with and after. This desk turns out so beautiful. I'm in love with this desk. All these details turn this piece unique. Let me know on comments below what you think about this desk. Let's go talk about the numbers. I got this dresser for $25. I spent in material $150. In total I spent $175. In time I spent 17 hours on this makeover. I'm not list yet. I hope I list for a good price. I hope you enjoy my video. Now you can buy me a coffee to help support my channel and I can keep making videos like this. See you on next one. Bye!